In our lesson on 5.5, we're going to be talking about measuring in customary units. Customary units are used only in the United States. The rest of the world uses the metric system. When we're talking about measuring in customary units, the units of measurement for length, weight, and capacity commonly used in the United States are part of the U.S. customary system. Under length, we're going to discuss the measurements of length going from the shortest to the longest. The first unit of measurement that we use in customary is inch. Inch is abbreviated IN, period. It has a period at the end, so that it does not look like the word in. It is the only abbreviation that you will use a period for. A visual that you can remember for what an inch is would be a small paperclip. So if you're asked to measure something, think about the small paperclip. It is about an inch long. Next unit of measurement is foot. Abbreviation is small f, small t. If you need a visual for how long a foot is, it's the distance from your shoulder to your elbow. So if you have a piece of furniture or something that you need to move into a door or go through a door to another room, and you need to know how many feet it is, well, generally, the measurement from your shoulder to your elbow is 1 foot. That might help you estimate if you can get it in or not, the piece of furniture. The next length is yard. Abbreviated, small y, small d. A visual for a yard would be the width of a door. And lastly, in the customary units of length is mile. Mile is going to be small lowercase m, lowercase I. And generally speaking, it is the combined length of 15 football fields. In our examples, you will be asked to put what terms fit for the sentence. The first one is a banana is 8.5 inches long. The height of a basketball hoop on a basketball court is 10 feet tall. And the length of a disc is 2 yards. So you'll need to be able to know which measurement of length is appropriate. Now we're going to discuss weight. We just got through with length, now we're going to discuss weight. We're going to start from the smallest to the largest in the customary unit of measurement. The smallest unit people use in the United States is ounce. Its abbreviation is lowercase o, lowercase z. The example you can think of, what is the weight of an ounce? It's about the slice of a bread, the weight of a slice of a piece of bread. In pound, which is lb, it's about the weight of a soccer ball. And lastly, ton. Abbreviation is capital T, and you can think of the size of a walrus. So in our examples, using the appropriate term, the weight of a bowling ball is 14 pounds. The weight of a baseball bat is 33 ounces. And the weight of a typical Indian bull elephant is 3.5 tons. Our last unit, customary unit that we're going to discuss is the capacity, how much something will hold. The smallest one, it would be the fluid ounce. Abbreviation, lowercase fl space oz. An example that you can think of how much a fluid ounce is a small medicine cup. Next unit of measurement is cup. Abbreviation, lowercase c. You can think of a visual of a measuring cup. The next is pint. Lowercase p, lowercase t, and you can think of a carton of milk. D is quart, lowercase q, lowercase t. You may think of a quart of oil, if you've seen a quart of oil, it's an visual there, or a quart of milk. And lastly, gallon is the largest unit of capacity. Gallon is abbreviated GAL, and the visual would be a gallon of milk. In our examples, it would take 14 gallons to fill a fish aquarium. A bathroom cup would hold 3 fluid ounces. A lemonade pitcher holds 2 quarts. So in this lesson today, we have talked about the customary units of measurement for length, weight, and capacity.